Nnamdi Kanu raised the issue of jurisdiction, that Nigeria law court has no jurisdiction to try him because his radio station is not situated in this country. And then a lot of people are actually buying into that Nigeria has no right to try him. What do you have to say about that?
It can't be his own thinking, because he committed offense in 2 countries. Where he stands to commit the offense, one, that's the UK. The second, where his offense affected, where his offense created victims, which is Nigeria. So, any of these countries that arrest him first, we prosecute him. One, UK, where he stands to call for killing of Nigerians, but another place, if UK find him, they will try him. Then Nigeria, where his offense had some impact, we also jail him. So his argument is immaterial. Young in UK, mad buying, police, bonka. You know, no UK. Because police in a police sign, police in Nigeria, police in UK. Now, Ozian is in the begging. Now, I go clear, my name will repercussion, and with consequences. So that argument here does not hold water. Our police has been killed. Our army has been killed by a directive which you did from UK. Now, on a normal, Nigeria has capacity to seek for extradition or to move him to diplomatic channel. Nigeria. Now, UK has also jurisdiction to try it. So, or multi-nation jurisdiction in terms of his offense. So, the argument doesn't hold water as far as I'm concerned.
Are you looking for a reputable real estate company to invest with? Do you want to buy land with instant allocation? Are you tired of going to court over land disputes? Come to Pine Leaf Estates and Properties Limited. Land banking is a must.